Namaskar. Um, Today I'm going to sing, not talk. I'll talk a little bit like an introduction, and then I want to sing one of the beautiful songs whose lyrics have been written by Sadashiva Brahmendra, who lived maybe 200-300 years ago. And the song is set in the classical raga of Ahir Bhairav. Ahir Bhairav. This was one of his important songs. He has also sung other beautiful songs. Sarvam Brahmamayam is another one of his beautiful songs. We have to be thankful to Sachidananda Shiva Abhinava Narasimha Bharati Swamigal, who lived maybe 100 years, 50 years ago, no, 60 years maybe, who was the head of the Sringeri Mutt and who was the guru of the famous Sri Chandrasekhara Bharati Mahaswamigal of Sringeri. Sachidananda Shiva Abhinava Narasimha Swami did not live during the time of Sadashiva Brahmendra. He lived, I think, 100 years or 200 years after him. But he had some kind of mind contact with him. And in the end, he retired to a small kutir on the banks of the what is that river where the Sringeri Mutt is, and stayed in the kutir and handed over to Chandrasekhara Bharati, because he didn't want to be part of the Peetham. Now, Sadashiva Brahmendra was born in a Andhra Brahmin family, settled near Tanjavur. And his guru was the great Paramashivendra Saraswati. But when he was young, there was a great scholar, we can say Vedantist, yogi, called Tiruvishaynallur Sridhara Venkatesh Iyer, who was popularly called Ayyaval. So Ayyaval was his first guru, teacher, from whom he learned Vedanta and various things. And then he went to Paramashivendra Saraswati and became his disciple. He learned a lot. The Maharaja of Mysore was looking for a good Asthana Vidwan. So he contacted Paramashivendra Saraswati and he told this young man, whose name at that time was Shivaramakrishna, to go and spend some time in the Mysore palace. He went there and he became the Asthana Vidwan. And he was such a great scholar and a singer and everything that no Vidwan could win in discussions or samvads with him. And he defeated everyone and shut up their mouths. So there was one great Shastri called Gopala Krishna Shastri, who went to Mysore, Asthana Vidwan, and met this Shivaram Krishna. He was very impressed by him. So he told him, I am Paramashivendra Saraswati's disciple. So he was very pleased. Then he went back and met Paramashivendra Saraswati and said, hey, your disciple Swami is a great man in the Asthana Vidwan of Mysore. He shuts up everybody's mouth by his scholarship. So Paramashivendra said, oh really? Is that like that? Okay, can you ask him to come and see me again? I need to talk to him. He said, okay. So he heard from Gopala Krishna Shastri that his guru wants to see him, so he went. Prostrated, sit down. Said, oh, I heard you have become such a big Vidwan. They are shutting up everybody's mouth. He didn't say anything. He said, when will you learn to shut your mouth? That day onwards he became a Mauni. he shut his mouth. So all his songs and his everything was written before that. And he also wrote the Yoga Sudhakara, which is a beautiful text on the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali. A very different kind of text. So then he went to Pudukkottai, in the forests of Pudukkottai. That time the Maharaja of Pudukkottai was Vijay Raghunatha Tondaiman of Pudukkottai. So he went, the Maharaja used to go and see him. Now, he used to mostly wander in the forest. And he then went to Nerur and attained Samadhi. This is the story of, there are many miraculous stories, I don't want to go into that. But this was the great Sadashiva Brahmendra. So now I'm going to attempt to sing one of his, my favorite song. I think it is the favorite song of many. The gist of the song is drink the beautiful nectar of Ramarasam. Drink the beautiful nectar of the name of Rama, O tongue. Enjoy the nectar of the name of Rama. And then there are 4 actually slokas, but I'm sticking to 2 because they have the most important essence of the song. And the second one, which I will sing after the first, will be that enjoy that which takes you away from the fear of birth and death, and which is the essence of all the Shastras and Agamas. Drink the name of Rama. And the last sloka, which will be part of the song, this is the song that comes from the ashrama of Shuddha Paramahamsa. This is his signature. Sadashiva Brahmendra is himself Shuddha Paramahamsa. It is the great truth, and the song which was enjoyed and came from the mouth of the great Sukha, Shaunaka and Kaushika, the great bhaktas and rishis of old. So this is the song. So now, Pibare Ram Rasam Rasani, Pibare Ram Rasam, Pibare Ram Rasam Rasare, Pibare Ram Rasam, Pibare Ram Rasam Rasani, Pibare Ram Rasam, Pibare Ram Rasam Rasani, Pibare Ram Rasam, Pibare Ram Rasam Rasani, Pibare Ram Rasam, Pibare Ram Rasam. Janana Marana Bhaya Shoka Viduram, Janana Marana Bhaya Shoka Viduram, Sakala Shastra निगमागमसारं सकलशास्त्र निगमागमसारं पिबरे रामरसं रसने विबरे रामरसं विबरे रामरसं रसने विबरे रामरसं पिबरे रामरसं जनन मरण भय शोकविदूरं जनन मरण भय शोकविदूरं सकलशास्त्र निगमागमसारं सकलशास्त्र निगमागमसारं पिबरे रामरसं रसने पिबरे रामरसं पिबरे रामरसं रसने पिबरे रामरसं पिबरे रामरसं शुद्ध परमहंस आश्रमगीतं शुद्ध परमहंस आश्रमगीतं सुखशौनक कौशिकमुखपीठं सुखशौनक कौशिकमुखपीठं शुद्ध परमहंस आश्रमगीतं शुद्ध परमहंस आश्रमगीतं सुखशौनक कौशिकमुखपीठं सुखशौनक कौशिकमुखपीठं पिबरे रामरसं रसने पिबरे रामरसं पिबरे रामरसं रसने पिबरे रामरसं पिबरे रामरसं जनन मरण भय शोकविदूरं जनन मरण भय शोकविदूरं सकलशास्त्र निगमागमसारं सकलशास्त्र निगमागमसारं पिबरे रामरसं रसने पिबरे रामरसं पिबरे रामरसं शुद्ध परमहंस आश्रमगीतं शुद्ध परमहंस आश्रमगीतं सुखशौनक कौशिकमुखपीठं सुखशौनक कौशिकमुखपीठं पिबरे रामरसं रसने पिबरे रामरसं पिबरे राम रसम रसने पिबरे राम रसम पिबरे राम रसम।